Hey Galio, what's the dumbest thing that happened to you this week? And don't say you just stood there all day waiting for someone to start a fight so you could counter with energy, okay?
Ha, Vi, you're seriously underestimating the busy schedule of a walking statue. This week I tried blending into civilian life. Result? Pigeons landed on my head 3 separate times.
Haha. Blending in? Why not start with something easier like not becoming a public perch?
I tried. I stood in a long donut line. Everyone thought I was decorative. Some poked me. Others leaned on me. One old guy even said, "This statue's a bit too close to the shop door, isn't it?" I just stood there, thinking, wait, do I not exist?
Oof, I know that feeling, at least 3 times a week. But yeah, civilian life isn't easy.
So what about you? Let's hear the schedule of Vi, the famous Iron Fist heroine.
Lately, I've been training to go to bed before 1 a.m. My goal was sleep early, live better. After 3 days, verdict. Total failure. Someone's always knocking at midnight asking me to handle something, chasing punks one night, breaking into my own warehouse the next because I forgot the keys.
Vi, I'm starting to worry that most of your weekly missions are self-inflicted.
Well, sometimes I get carried away and forget the punch gently rule. Guess who had to fix the city gate yesterday? Because someone, accidentally, turned it into a twisted dumpling wrapper.
Let me guess, name starts with V, ends with I.
Hey.
All right, no more teasing. But Vi, you should relax. Caitlin told me you downed 5 coffees in one morning.
That was for staying alert. Okay, maybe a little much. My heart was pounding like a festival drum. I talked nonstop for 20 minutes to an old lady and have no idea what I said.
Maybe you dropped some deep wisdom, Vi. At that speed, you might have leaked national secrets and advertised instant noodles without noticing.
Haha. If I advertise, I just punch once leaves a deep impression.
Vi, sometimes I think you're the only person who can save Demacia from falling asleep, and also the only one who gently dents everything around her.
Hey, it's not on purpose. But this week I did try changing my morning routine.
Oh? What?
Light exercise.
Details?
Push-ups, 200.
Vi, I'm not sure I understand your definition of light.
I cut back. Last week was 300.
For some reason, I feel your arms might be stronger than mine.
Of course, I'm alive and moving. You're stone.
That hurts both accurately and spiritually.
But you have to admit our daily lives are complete opposites. I'm rushing everywhere. You stand still and the world lines up next to you.
Vi, that rushing is exactly what makes you alive. The strongest person isn't the silent statue, it's the one who faces every chaotic, messy day head-on.
Are you encouraging me?
Just stating facts. I watch you sprint across Piltover every day, working, laughing, punching, fixing, breaking. That energy is stronger than any magic.
Thanks, Galio. That actually feels nice.
So, any other changes planned for this week?
Yup, I'm gonna try living slow.
Vi saying live slow feels as dangerous as letting me loose in a porcelain shop.
Not turtle slow. Just 10 minutes every morning drinking tea, doing absolutely nothing.
Can you actually sit still for 10 minutes?
I tried. Made it 27 seconds. Then I started spinning the cup, sniffing it dramatically, and pacing around the room.
I'm guessing that counts as failure?
Progress. 27 seconds without punching or breaking anything.
Vi, I salute you. That's a miracle.
Your turn. What are you changing?
I'm going to stop pigeons landing on my head.
How?
I'll tie a sign on top that says, "No landing."
You think pigeons can read?
I hope so. Plan B. Attach bells. Every time one lands ding ding ding, I'll know instantly.
You really are the funniest living statue I've ever met.
I just want life to be a little more fun. These weekend coffee chats with you, my favorite habit.
Same. No matter how crazy the week gets, sitting here with you always makes me feel lighter.
Then let's do it again next week. I'll report whether the pigeons respected the sign.
Speaking of the week, anything at work that annoyed or amused you the most?
Most annoying. Monday patrol. I helped some kids escape a gang of little thugs. One kid muttered, "Man, this statue's kinda unfriendly, huh?"
Haha, unfriendly? Did he want a hug from you?
Maybe. Or they're used to grown-ups with smiley faces. Mine isn't very flexible.
You're already scary just standing still. Me. This week, brace yourself, I took down a high-tech theft ring. One punch and they flew. But pretty much everything in the room got dented too.
So Piltover now needs Vi as both cop and interior repair crew?
Pretty much. They call me Punch and Patch.
Sounds like a combo superpower. But were you happy with your week?
Half and half. There was one rescue I don't even want to talk about. Mini drones and a rich kid's robot cat.
Sounds terrifying. You okay?
I'm fine, but the robot cat shredded my jacket. I thought, this week I'll take a break. Yeah, right.
I get it. Hero work doesn't come with vacation days. Last week I tried gentle help, but everyone still needed Big Galio. Construction accident. Cat in a tree. Kids lost balloon.
So your guardian and heavy-duty rescue rolled into one. Sometimes you handle more than our boss.
True. But seeing people safe makes it worth it. Though honestly, Vi, sometimes I crave one quiet day just standing still, sipping coffee in peace.
Too familiar. I keep dreaming of landing one punch and then sitting still for 5 minutes, but this city won't allow it.
We need a strategy. Save people and actually rest. Save 3 lives, stop 2 thefts, and keep collateral damage minimal.
Mission Impossible. Piltover Edition. Any fun little victories this week?
Yeah. Helped an old couple give each other flowers in the park. They thought I was a romantic statue, not a hero. I just stood there, nodding they were happy, and I felt light.
Ah, cute. Me? I had a laugh or cry moment. Thief with a mini drone ran to a balcony. I jumped after him, one punch boom. Then I looked down and the neighbor kid is staring at me, half terrified, half starstruck.
I've probably worn that exact expression watching you send crooks flying. This city definitely sees us as the funny hero duo.
Funny and violent, but fun. This week I learned punching is tiring, but seeing someone smile after you save them, priceless.
Exactly. Helping is the best reward. But Vi, ever thought about sharing some lighter duties so I'm not rescuing the whole city every day?
Share with you? You always get the big stuff. But fine, next week I'll try to let Galio rest a bit.
You're making my stone heart flutter so hard the coffee's shaking. Next week might actually sounds breathable.
You believe that? Because I already have a new mission. Fix a broken mech bridge with punches and guns.
Vi, do you ever get tired?
Tired, yes. But if I don't punch it, who will?
Classic Vi week. Chaos, surprises, and never boring.
Exactly. and you're the perfect partner for my daily madness.
And you make my weeks worth living. No matter how hectic, these weekend chats are the real prize.
Thanks, Galio. Same time next week for more battling?
Absolutely. And I promise no pigeons will interrupt your work.
Haha, deal. Let's see who has the tired but happy week next time.
Deal.
Hey, Galio. Got any good gossip this week? I need funny stories to recover from all the punching.
Listen to this. I walked past a street vendor in Piltover selling Galio-shaped bread. Looked just like me, but cracked all over like I was permanently angry.
Haha, reminds me of Friday when I accidentally smashed a crate of mini drones. Looked grumpy, but smaller and softer.
Right? I was torn between laughing and feeling proud. An edible statue on someone's dinner table.
And people will punch me instead of eating?
Not yet. They eat first, regret later.
Ha ha, Galio. You really are Piltover's funniest stone guy.
You're not far behind. Last week a gang saw us together and ran faster than those mini drones.
Oh yeah, that was gold. One guy tripped over a cable. I only tapped him lightly so you wouldn't have to go full force.
Thanks, Vi. Honestly, the two of us side by side, we're basically the comedy superhero duo.
Comedy superheroes sounds both awesome and ridiculous, but it feels good.
Another fun rumor. New ice cream shop named Flavors after Piltover heroes. I tried Galio rock milk, the clerk warned. Careful, one bite and you'll feel solid as stone.
So if I eat it, will I start bouncing around you?
Not sure if that's a compliment or a warning.
Little of both. Got enough gossip from me yet? I've got one more self-roast.
Hit me.
Last week I punched a robber. Turns out he was a fashion model doing a photo shoot. And get this, he struck a pose mid-punch. We both cracked up. Everyone left happy.
Only you could punch someone and still respect their outfit.
Right? Also saw a kid racing mini cars in the park, saw me, yelled, "Giant stone monster incoming!" and circled me like a cartoon.
Same vibe. Kids last week thought I was a statue that dances in the wind.
So yeah, the week was packed with silly stories. But you know what? I'm glad you're here. You make every tale feel solid, serious, yet hilarious.
Thanks, Vi. You turn exhausting days into comedy gold. Even when I'm standing perfectly still, you make me want to laugh.
Guess we're a perfect match, a stoic statue and a punch-happy girl trading gossip.
Exactly. Every week feels like this one. Funny, chaotic, and oddly lovable.
Yep. And weekend coffee like this? Perfect. Gossip, laughter, coffee, stone, everything's just right.
Vi, let's keep this tradition alive, no matter how wild next week gets. This table on Sunday is sacred.
Deal. And bring fresh stories. I want to laugh even harder.
Promise. Next time. Stubborn pigeons, crying laughing thieves, and more accidental comedy hero moments.
Can't wait. Cheers to another week of gossip and giggles.
Cheers. And remember, Galio's always got your back when Vi goes punch first, adventure later.
Ha ha. And Vi's here to make sure nothing stays too serious.
Exactly. Weekends are for laughing and unwinding, no matter how many missions we had.
Yup. And next week we dive back into adventure and gossip.
Absolutely. Every week is another hilarious, meaningful chapter, and you, Vi, are the best part of it.